First of all, let's make it small. Now in this video we have to do a lot of rectifications. So first of all, we have to do rectification, and then we are talking about how we can build a binary tree. So from here we are building our binary tree, but first of all we have to do a lot of rectifications. So what are these rectifications? So first of all, there is a heap push function. So this is around here. So if this is heap push, and another rectification is that uh, we have to use the frequency as freq that I am using here. And one more thing I want to clear, that we are overloading that functions. Why? Because when we are using heap, we have to work with a less than and equal to operator. But as the inbuilt less than and equal to operator, they don't know what the frequency is. That's why we are overloading the functions and tells that function that there is a frequency on the basis of which we have to compare. Okay, so now these are all the rectifications that I have to do, and we have to create a not a, okay, that's okay, not big deal. Okay, now let's start working on binary tree node. So firstly, let's take the concept of binary tree node and then again come back here to write the code. Okay, so for now, what we have actually a heap, and the heap consists of nodes. The heap consists of nodes. Let's create nodes. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes, and these nodes have key, and these nodes have value. I think you can see my writing is not good. So we have this heap in our hand, and now we have to create a binary tree node. Now to create a binary tree node, first of all we have to take the characters having minimum frequency. So here you can see the 11 and the 20 is the minimum one. So we are creating a node which is D, and which is, sorry, okay, it is 11, and we are merging these two nodes, and on merging we are getting 31, and this 31 is again pushed to the heap as empty key and a 31, and we have to cancel these two things. Now we cancel it, and again we are finding the two minimum, which is 25 I think, and 31. So we are writing here 25 and 31 is there, and by adding this we are 60 46, sorry 56, and again we are pushing, so cancel this 31 and 25, and we have 56. So we have 56 there, and then we are finding again the minimum, which is I think 31 and 40. So we are writing here 40, and we have 31, and we are merging these two, and we are 71, cancel this and add 71 there, and we have two nodes, which is this and this, which is 127, and we are again pushing 127 here. Now we have only 127 left in our heap, and we have to stop here, because in order to create a binary tree node, we have a minimum need of two nodes in our heap, so we have to stop there. And this is how we are creating our binary tree node, and we are using that concept in order to create our binary tree node. Now let's create a binary tree node. So we are calling a function which is self dot build binary tree, and we have to make it private, and let's code it there, which is build binary tree, and here we have to do this. Okay, now how we can do that? First of all, from heap we have to pop two functions. We have to pop the two nodes actually. So let's pop the two nodes first. Binary tree node 1, how we can do that? Heap q dot heap pop, and we have to write from where we have to pop. We have to pop from the heap, and similarly we are popping the second function here. Let's make it 2. Now after these two nodes, what we actually want, we have to create a new node. What we have to create? We have to create a new node, and the new node having key which is none, and the value is the sum of these two frequencies, the binary tree node 1 frequency plus the binary tree node 2 frequency. So we have to create a variable which is sum of frequency, which is the binary tree node 1 dot frequency plus binary tree node 2 dot frequencies. So here is the problem. Okay, so we sum up all these and we are creating a new node, and the new node we are calling our class which is a binary tree, and we are passing key as none, and we are passing key as none, and the value as sum of frequency. Okay, so there is one problem. What we have to create a conditional as well, and the conditional tells like when that conditional works. So the condition I am saying, our heap should contain minimum of two nodes. Okay, if it contains one node, then we have to stop. So while length of self dot heap is greater than 1, we have to do all these steps. Now it's good. So we have a new node, we have binary tree node 1, we have a new node, and we are creating a new node as well. Now we have to create connections between these two nodes. How we can do that? New node, why am I computer? New node dot left is equals to the binary tree node 1 binary tree node 1 and new node dot right is equal to the, I don't know why my computer gets slow, right is equal to the binary tree node 2, and we are creating our connections, and when we do all these stuffs we have to return from here. And this is how we are creating our binary tree. So this is all related to creation of a binary tree, and by using that binary tree, in the next video we are finding the codes, and then we are finding the encoded text, and then we are returning our binary file as an output. Thank you.